you're thinking, why am I wearing this funny hat and these funny dungarees? Well, that's today, because today we are going to do some gardening. What's a gardener? A ganan. And you are going to be planting a garden of pronouns. Now, the first thing we need to know is that a pronoun is another name for a noun. So, to make our pronoun garden, we're going to need some things. So before we get started, I want you to make sure that you have everything that we need. The first thing we need is 6 pieces of A4 paper. Now, I chose to use colored paper, but you don't have to. You just do with whatever you can find in the house. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of colored paper. I have a pair of scissors. I have some sticky tape. I have a pencil. And I have a marker. I have a glue stick. And I have something long that I can make a stem. I'm using paddle pop sticks, but if you don't have paddle pop sticks, you can use a paper straw or just a rolled up piece of paper. So no pressure, or you can even use another pencil if you have pencils. So you're going to need 5 because we are making 5 flowers today. All right, let's get started. Now I have 6 pieces of paper, but what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do 5 pieces of paper. So I'm going to show you what to do, and you're going to repeat it 5 times. Step 1, I take my piece of paper and I fold it in half. 2, and then I fold it in half again. All right. Now I'm going to take a container. I have this one or anything that can make a circle. I'm going to put it around here and I'm going to trace it all the way around. Right? Now I'm going, oh, can you say that? Oh, perfect. Now I'm going to repeat that 5 times. All right, here I go.
Para bailar la bamba se necesita una poca de gracia para mí, para ti, y arriba, y arriba.
Now I'm going to take my 6th piece of paper, my last piece of paper, and I'm going to fold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 3 times. That's the 3rd time. Now I'm going to take something smaller. יותר קטן. And I'm going to trace it exactly like this. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them out. All right, let's go.
Baila la bamba, para bailar la bamba se necesita una poca de gracia para mí, para ti.
These are going to be my petals and these are going to be my buds. So this is going to be the outside of the flower and this is going to be the middle of the flower. So each flower in my pronoun garden is going to be a different pronoun. Now, let's see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my white circle and I'm going to stick my petals onto it, just like this. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Now you should have 6 of these, you only need 5. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. Bam, 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 bam. And then I'm going to stick it like this. Pop. And then a little bit of glue here. There we go. And then I'm going to take this one and stick it like this. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. There we go. And I'm going to take Another one and stick it like this. Try leave a little bit of white in the middle if you're using white or whatever. And then I'm going to take another little bit of glue here. And there you have it. I have my flower. Fantastic. Well, here's some I made earlier. Instructions, you're going to see that there are 5 pronouns that we are going to plant today in our garden. So I want you to take your marker and in the middle of each flower, I want you to write a pronoun. So for example, we have they, she, we, it, and he. We're almost done. You guys are fantastic gardeners with me today. What we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that on each of our flower petals, 1, 2, 3, 4 petals, we are going to write a noun that could also be this pronoun. Now, what do we know about he? He is for a boy. So, what I'm going to write on my he pronoun is Dad. Dad is he. My brother is he. The policeman is he. The policeman is he. Dad, my brother, the policeman, Ben. Ben is he. Alright, so we have Dad, the policeman, Ben, my brother, and those are all he. Now I can't wait to see what you come up with for the others. Now the last step we're going to take once we've made our flower garden is in order to plant it, we need the stem. So I'm going to use a little bit of masking tape and my paddle pops. I'm going to take a little bit of tape. I'm going to cut it with my scissors. And I'm going to stick that paddle pop on the back. And there you have it. I've planted a pronoun flower. There you go, I've made all my flowers. I have my they, my she, my we, my it, and my he. Looks like I've got a lot of planting to do. See you later. Over and out. It's your favorite gardener, Mrs. G.
Necesita una poca de gracia para mí, para ti, y arriba, y arriba, por ti seré.